so I can start writing my function, my thing. No. Okay. So we make a method. Do I remember how to do this? I barely remembered how to do print, and also I capitalized the print, so that was wrong. Like, do I remember how to do anything in Python? That's what I'm about to find out. Cause, right. Um, I give it a name. I don't give it a return type because it's Python. It does what it wants. So I just make a name. I don't know, call it. It's called C now. Do I do the same? Do I do this? No brackets because Python is sad. And then I just start typing the method.
Says it's all the same, just with different syntax.
Okay, that's good. Let's see if I remember the syntax. So just C, and name the method, and then if, but no parentheses.
Line 137 says define your function with.
Oh yeah, that's a new. Oh yeah, you're right. That's how you define functions in Python. Thank you.
Of me says
define. Oh, it's been so long since I touched C. I'm not C sharp since I touched Python. Since can I name it this? Okay, thank God it reconnected again. So let's say. What is that thing you have? The x colon int, and then you have int to int colon. Isn't it one of those things called like a label or something? But it doesn't actually do anything except label it. It doesn't actually force it to be what I want it to be. Oh, just type for int. Okay. Well, that's fine. I'll do it.
Line 137 says if you want type annotation.
Okay, yeah, we'll just go with X. It's fine. Oh, no, wait, no. We're stick with the same naming convention. It's called number, and I'll label it because I've never actually used a label before. If oh.
Line 137 says you can just write def C.
Yeah, I want the
X
label
if you
because
don't care about that.
I don't know. It's helpful to remember just the syntax. Like, oh, you can put a label. That's cool. Why is it yelling at me like something's missing? If
Line 137 says you can also type annotate the output too by adding -int at the end.
I'll do that. Spam bot. I see. I'm gonna mute the TTS for a second so the spam bot thing doesn't go through. Actually, I don't even think it's message registered. Because it's sent it at the same time you sent a message, and so they like overlapped. That's good.
Line 137 says def
oh wait, did I write it wrong?
Number int dash
trying
int.
To say? Wait a second. What's the
Line 137
wait, why are you
says
writing it with why is one have a
int dash int?
Are you saying there's two ways to do labels, or wait? Are you saying I'm doing it wrong? I have to change it.
Line 137 says, oh, the colon should be there.
Oh. Should be after int? Oh, it was okay.
Line 137 says I had a typo in the last way I typed it.
Am I making this worse? Outside the parentheses. Oh.
Line 137 says no outside see the parentheses.
Wait, what? Is this... Am I supposed to put... And then A. Wait, what is A and then A? I'm getting more confused. What is happening? And, damn it! I wish the thing would stop disconnecting. That's actually really annoying. Okay. Oh, it's because the formatting. Is that what you're
137 says
saying?
let me send in
It's because the
Discord.
formatting is all like, because we're using Twitch chat. It's just like, I see. But I'm too dense to figure out what it's supposed to actually be. Let's see. Wait a second. Wait, there is. Wait, this is the same thing. Oh wait, I've seen them in. Wait, I'm so confused. What's happening? What is this? Is that a lambda? I'm actually supposed to put the arrow in there? No way! You made me just put a lambda into this. No wonder I'm
Line
getting confused. What
137
the hell
says
is
the
this?
thing outside the arrow indicates the output type.
Oh, because the word is for the output, and this time it's just a label to the output. Okay. Doing lambda things, but then why lambda if? Because isn't a lambda is supposed to be written in one line, but we're writing a function with multiple lines on the inside. So how is it possible we can lambda it? Oh, is this? Maybe it's different than C sharp. Because I thought for lambda, oh, it's not a lambda. Okay, sorry. Oh, it's the syntax for output type.
Line
That's all it is.
137 says it's not a lambda function.
Thank you. Just regular. Okay. Thank you. This syntax is completely new to me. That's why I was confused. I see. Oh, where did I delete this? Okay, C num.
Line 137 says right, just the first line of the function definition.
Int. This is just special syntax for how we can define functions and put labels on inputs and outputs. It's very,
Line
it's very
137
cursed.
says you can just do C, number, for short if you don't care about typing.
I see. This works just fine. But yeah, this is very cursed. This syntax is very cursed. It's not even functional, it's just cursed. If num is 0, and then we put, oh wait, this time it takes a, I don't know, for the ifs, there's something weird that goes on the end. And it's not a semicolon, it's a, I don't know, something. It's delineated by something of some kind. It's not a period, it's a, or a comma. It's not like a dash, or, no, it's not. No. Oh my god, it has been too long since I Python. This is so sad. If num, I don't know, it's just something there. I thought it was like a comma. It's not a comma. Colon. There. I had to think about it, but I got it eventually. Because Python likes its colons. If return 0. Okay, and then otherwise, let's see if I can do it right. C return C number -1 plus 11. And now function over, and then I can just call it, I guess, C, like print. Thank you.
Line 137 says yup.
This is cool. Print C. 3. $33. That's the right number. And if I get if I do a million, it's gonna Stack Overflow, just like what SPQ had me do. Oh, no, okay, recursion error.
Line 137 says nice.
Except, but some languages look more cursed than others. That's very important to know. Very, very cursed language. I'll never get over that. When ever since the first day you call Python cursed, I'll never get over it. I'll call
Carcass
it
says I
cursed
did it in 3 different
until
ones,
the day I
and they
die.
all look pretty much same.
And in the afterlife, I will also call Python cursed. Oh, nice, nicety, Carcass.